Wow, wow, wow! Magic colors experiment? Colors dancing in milk? Jump in now! Hey, super scientists! Magic colors experiment. Watch colors dance like crazy in milk. Ready for the magic? Let's go! This is super easy and super fun. Just milk and colors make real magic. Little scientists, are you with me? Let's do it. Here's what we need. White plate, whole milk, red, blue, yellow, green food colors, dish soap, and cotton buds. Everything at home. Ready? First, pour milk into the plate, just enough to cover the bottom. Look, a shiny white canvas perfect for magic. Now drop the colors. Red, blue, yellow, green. Wow, beautiful dots. What do you think will happen next? Dip the cotton bud in soap. Touch the middle. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Colors are exploding and dancing everywhere. So cool. Why does it happen? Soap breaks the milk's surface and makes colors rush around. Real science, but looks like pure magic. Add more soap? Colors keep moving. Try making a heart or a smiley face. Do it at home and show me in comments. That was awesome! Like if you loved it. Comment your favorite color. See you next time. Bye! Yay! Hope you loved the magic. Like, comment your favorite color. See you next time. Bye!